Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Indian history, ancient history. If interested, then listen. Mauryan dynasty. According to Puranas, the known emperor was earliest one was Bimbisara. There are three major rulers of Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya, he was helped by Kautilya Chanakya. His seat of power was Patliputra, now Patna. Kautilya Chanakya was great in politics and economics. In Chandragupta Mauryan's time, trade flourished, agriculture flourished, weight was standardized, taxation came into picture. During old age, Chandragupta Maurya became Jain and he went to Chandragiri Hills. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by Bindusara. Amrita Sutra, he was described as by Greeks. Bindusara was succeeded by Ashoka. The great Mauryan king climax reached during his time. Radha Gupta, minister of Bindusara, helped him to acquire territories. He fought Kalinga War and he killed 99 brothers except Tisa. Syria, North India, Turkey, Belgium, except South, he acquired territories. Ashoka means happy, person without sorrow, as the name. Then later Mauryas ruled. I will give you more information later. Thank you.